Here we have 7 squared, where 7 is the base and 2 is the exponent, which means to multiply by itself 2 times the number 7. So 7 times 7 equals 49. Now, how do we enter this operation in the calculator? First, you need to know the button for exponent. In this calculator looks like this, and just follow the next steps. 1. Press the base, which is 7. 2. Hit the button of exponents. 3. Press the exponent, which is 2. And finally, hit the button of equal to get the answer. In my example, the answer is 49. Let's do it. 7 raised to the second power equals 49. Great. In some cases, the exponent button looks different depending on the brand or model of the calculator. For example, we have y raised to the x power or x raised to the power of a square shape. But usually has one of these forms that I just told you. In some cases, when you work with power like squared or cubed, you are very frequent to use, they have dedicated buttons. As you can see here, squared or cubed. So directly you press 7 and hit the square button equals to get 49 as result. Or press 7 cubed button and finally equals to get 343. Also, you can get the same result using the other buttons. Press 7 raised to the third power, and if we remember that 7 cubed is equal to 7 times 7 times 7, which is 7 times 7 equals 49, then 49 times 7, 7 times 9 equals 63, 7 times 4 equals 28, and I need to add the 6 to the product to get the final result, that is 343. When we work with a negative number as base, pay attention to use brackets to avoid mistakes in powers. For example, here we have a base as minus 5 and not only as 5. So for definition, the exponent 2 means that we have to multiply twice the base by itself. Minus times minus equals plus. Using the law of sign in multiplication, and 5 times 5 equals 25. However, if we want to enter this operation in my calculator, a common mistake will be enter exactly minus 5 raised to the second power, getting minus 25 as result. And this is not what we got before. So where is the mistake? The problem when you work powers in calculator and you enter minus 5 squared, which is not the same operation that we want to solve. For the calculator, the base is 5 and not minus 5. So if you enter minus 5 squared in a calculator, you are leaving out the minus, and 5 times 5 equals 25. We get minus 25. As you can see, if we do not identify correctly the base using brackets, we can solve a different operation. In conclusion, to solve correctly an operation with power in any scientific calculator, first use brackets to enter the base, and second, raise to the power. This is how we get plus 25. That is the correct answer.